Hello, and today on this video we are going to learn how to bring in um, fabric swatches so that you can use them when you're creating your applique designs. And one of the things that I do is I will go to different designers or like motivefabrics.com, and if you go to the downloads section on Motive Fabrics, you'll be shown this. And while it's not showing all the icons here, this one particular over here, this little icon, if you click on it, it will allow you to actually save the zip file that contains all the JPEGs for this Winter Manor line of fabrics. I'm not going to do that in this video because I have a relatively slow internet connection, and you just don't want to watch a zip file download. So I actually already have some downloaded, and what I will do is I have them in my documents, and then I created a directory called Hatch Fabrics. That way I will know that this is fabric swatches that I will be using in Hatch. This is Moda. So, I created a Moda directory, and right now I actually have three separate collections already downloaded in here so that you can see them. And I'm going to show you how to do the others. So if you go up to the thing and to one of the downloads, say the JPEG All Hallows Eve, you click on it to do the extract, and you'll say extract to, and I'm going to remove this JPG underscore and put in Moda and my backslash, and leave the All Hallows Eve, and it'll create a directory in there in the Moda subdirectory called All Hallows Eve. So let's do this, and as you go to the Moda now, you'll see the All Hallows Eve. You go in here, you can see the fabrics in this line. I get rid of say the ruler directory. It does have a little ruler on there so you can see how large it is. And these fabrics are 700 by 700 pixels, and these up here themselves are 700 by 700. So having the ruler there, it's just taking up extra space on my hard drive that I don't need, so I will delete that directory. And I will actually delete the directory that has all of the fabrics from the collection in there. So I will go ahead and delete the zip file because I don't need it anymore. We're going to go ahead and do the Forest Frost glitter fabrics too, and we'll just do the same thing here. Put it in the Moda, and it will create the directory that we need for that. So I will go ahead and delete this, and we'll go check it for sure. There it is. I will delete the files that I don't need, and you can see your fabrics here. So you just do that with any of the collections that you want. I'm sure you can probably get them from different fabric manufacturers. It's just basically finding where to download them from. And as you can see here, this will tell you the date that the fabric line is supposed to be in stores. So if you like working with Motive Fabrics and you want to design appliques around upcoming fabric lines, you can go get your fabric lines and start working on them, and have the simulation in your design so that you can see what they're going to look like. Now, how do you use it when you're in Wilcom Hatch? So say you go to digitize an applique, and you'll see this little applique fabric button right here. So you click it, and you click browse. And what you will do is you will actually navigate to your computer where you where you downloaded all of the fabrics, and then say we're going to look at this forest frost, and we will go and say, I don't know, select this blue one here and say okay. And then I'm going to close this now so that you can see me digitize just a little easy applique, and you will see that it uses the fabric that we just loaded or extracted into your applique. So yes, it does kind of manipulate it. I can tell by looking at this that there's like 4 different parts of it to create the one applique, but you know, at least you can get part of the fabric line in there. So I hope you found this video helpful. It's just a way to customize Hatch a little bit to enhance your applique designs, and I hope you enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye.